Hello, my friends. I am Paul, the Teen Librarian at the Mulligan Hill branch of the Gloucester County Library, and today I've got two more anime recommendations for you. First up is Ouran High School Host Club. Haruhi has gotten a scholarship to the very prestigious Ouran Academy, a school where everyone seems to be extremely wealthy and have a lot of free time, which is why this school has a host club, a group of boys dedicated to spending time with girl students, usually over tea or simply talking with them. It's a bit difficult to explain if you're not already familiar with the host and hostess clubs in Japan. But Haruhi accidentally walks into the host club and breaks an expensive vase. Thinking Haruhi is a boy, they decide to make her pay off her debt by working as a host. This is a comedy anime that has been around for a long time, and I can always come back to it and still love it. The acting is great, the timing is perfect, and the characters are all very likable. If you've never watched this, it's a great entertaining story that you'll get hooked on. Next up is My Neighbor Seki. This is a great binge-worthy anime because each hilarious episode is only about 7 minutes long. Each episode finds Rukoi constantly distracted by her classmate Seki, who will do absolutely anything to avoid boredom while in school. Sometimes this involves building elaborate dominoes, or playing shogi against himself while making up rules, or playing with toy robots. Each time Rukoi can't help but get sucked into whatever project Seki has devoted himself to. Though more often than not, she'll end up getting in trouble with the teacher, who will notice her slacking off but never Seki. Each episode is completely ridiculous and entertaining, and it's easy to go through them all as you watch just one more episode. Highly recommended. So there you go, my friends. 2 more anime to watch if you haven't seen them already. Let me know in the comments below what you've been watching, or if you've seen these before and what you think of it, or other anime that you would recommend watching as well. Thanks again, and I'll see you next time.